Hey guys, how's everything? So I'm vlogging today because I made this skirt, this right here. I made this skirt and I made it where I have the color in the middle, okay? And it's a mini, okay? So, and it's, what do you call it? Like a blocked style, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is making the top for this out of this fabric right here, and I'm gonna do it with you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to make a triangle top, and it's gonna match this. And let's go. I normally do these at 9 inches. See, so I normally do it at 9 inches, but today I'm gonna do it at 8, and I'm gonna show you how to use it with the fold over fabric. All right, so let's do this. And I have it, okay? Here it is, all right? So remember, I'm making this to fit this top. There's two different ones now. I have this one and this one. And we're going to do it on the sewing machine. I use this fold over elastic to trim, all right? So let's go. Let's recap what I did. I did a triangle top, and I did use the fold over elastic, and there it is. And it's still stretch using a zigzag stitch, okay? So when I'm stitching it, you start from the bottom, and when you come to the top where the V is, you're gonna continue where the V is, like continue it so that it can be on the same side, okay? And when you put it together, it's on the same side, meaning that it's on the same side, and not you doing this and then this one is over here, okay? So you have to continue. If you start with the bottom, continue with the bottom. Make sense? So if you end at the bottom, continue at the bottom. If you end at the top, continue with the top. All right? We're gonna put this on here. We're gonna start from the bottom. Start it from the bottom and continue sewing. And you're just gonna continue around. So. So I'm checking to make sure I have enough, and I do have enough. Okay. All right. That's that. So this is how it look. And I stop it right where this is, where the, right here, that's where I stop it at. So it start from there, okay? And there it is. Now we're gonna do the bottom so that I can, like this. I'm gonna zigzag the bottom of it. And you just turn it and serve. Now there is a guide right here that you can use so everything can be even. Okay, and it's finished.